We have a bird on his stick. Get it away! We're so fucked up.
He's flying. He's still alive.
Corbin, come here.
He's dead.
Look at Corbin.
Pick him up. Get him out of here.
He's so scared. Oh, you hear it crack? Ah, you fucking. Hey, other door. Corbin's all scared. I'm not fucking pussy, eh?
Fucking leave it at his fucking door. Oh shit! If I close the door, it will fall. Oh fuck!
What?
How am I supposed to?
What a bitch.
What's happening? What the heck? It fell.
It's on the floor.
Let Marcos open the door.
Marcos open the door. I don't think it'll work right though. Just point
Yeah,
it.
he just opens it and the thing fucking falls. How's it not gonna work?
Sure, it's gonna fall.
I hope.
No, because you have to open that door.
Yeah, and then he opens this door. Oh fuck! I crushed the head.
Hey!
Open the door!
He's gonna come out the other door. Watch.
Let me see.
It's recording.
No.
Oh, ew! It touched you.
No, it didn't.
Ew! Get the touch. It's gone, motherfucker.